Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this session, we are going to discuss MCQs on biology. These all questions will be very helpful for your competitive exam. So watch the session till the end. Right? If anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, so please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start our session. Your first question is why it is not advisable to sleep under a tree at night. Your A option is release of less oxygen, B option is release of more oxygen. So third option is release of carbon dioxide and option D is release of carbon monoxide. Right answer is option C, that is release of carbon dioxide. Next question is what is the average rate of heartbeats per minute in an adult? A option is 60, B option is 72, C is 84 and D option is 96. So I hope that you all know the right answer. इसका right answer आएगा option B, that is 72. Next question is which of the following is the volume of the urine produced an adult human every 24 hours? A option is 1 liter, B option is 1.5 liter, third option is 3.0 liter and D option is 5.0 liter. So right answer is option B, that is 1.5 liter. Next question is which of the following pigment causes eye color of the person? A option is cornea, B option is choroid, and C is iris, and D option is vitreous body. So right answer is option C, that is iris. Next question is which of the following led to the expulsion of milk from the breast during suckling? A option is prolactin, B option is oxytocin, C option is vasopressin, and D option is estrogen and progesterone. So right answer is option B, that is oxytocin. Next question is where does the fertilization occurs in female? So A option is fallopian tube, B is uterus, C option is cervix, and D option is vagina. So right answer is option A, that is fallopian tube. Next question is which of the following is the universal recipient blood group? A option is blood group A, B option is B blood group, C option is AB blood group and D option is O blood group. So right answer is option C, that is AB blood group को जो है universal recipient of blood group कहा जाता है. Next question is what proportion of child is likely to be color blindness when their parents mother has normal vision and father has color blindness? So A option is 0%, B option is 25%, C option is 50% and D option is 100%. तो इसका राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज 0%. अगर किसी मदर का जो है नॉर्मल विजन है और फादर को जो है कलर ब्लाइंडनेस की प्रॉब्लम है तो कितने परसेंट चांसेस होते हैं कि उनका बच्चे को जो है कलर ब्लाइंडनेस की प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है? तो इसके 0% चांसेस होते हैं, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ब्लड ग्रुप इज कंसीडर्ड एज यूनिवर्सल डोनर? A option is blood group A, B option is AB blood group, C option is B blood group and D option is O blood group. So right answer is option D, that is O blood group called as universal donor and AB blood group considered as universal recipient. Next question is which part of the quinine plant is commonly used drug for malaria? A option is leaves, B is fruits, C option is roots and D option is stem. One point is clear that for malaria quinine plant is used, and what part of quinine plant is used to cure the malaria? So right answer is option D, that is stem. Next question is which of the following disease occur when the replacement of breastfeeding by less nutritive food, low in proteins and calories, infants below the age of 1 year? A option is kwashiorkor, B is marasmus, C is rickets, D option is pellagra. So right answer is option B, that is marasmus disease. Next question is what happens when exposure to carbon monoxide released from coal gas is extremely dangerous and can kill patients? A option है the compound carboxyhemoglobin, it forms with hemoglobin, can gradually clot the blood resulting in circulatory failure. B option is carboxyhemoglobin reduces the ability of blood to transport oxygen by rupturing a vast majority of erythrocytes. C option is carboxyhemoglobin is a stable compound and thus deprives blood of its ability to transport oxygen. And D option is carboxyhemoglobin modifies the structure of hemoglobin, thus making it lose its affinity for oxygen. So right answer आएगा option C, that is carboxyhemoglobin is a stable compound and thus deprives blood of its ability to transport oxygen. Next question is in how many times human will lose their consciousness if blood will stop flowing to the brain? A option is 2 seconds, B is 5 seconds, C option is 15 to 20 seconds, and D option is 5 minutes. So right answer is option B, that is 5 seconds. Next question is how many bones comprise the adult human skeleton? A option is 204 bones, B is 206 bones, C option is 208 bones, and D option is 214 bones. So adult human skeleton में जो bones होती हैं वो होती हैं option B, that is 206 bones. अगला क्वेश्चन है which of the following statement is related with the sulfur shower? A option is discharge of large quantity of yellow kesar or crocus pollen grains into the air. B option is discharge of large quantities of pinus pollen grains into the air forming yellowish clouds. C option is release of a large amount of sulfur particles into the air from factories processing sulfur. And last option is the release of large amount of sulfur particles into the air near sulfur mines. So right answer is option B, that is discharge of large quantities of pinus pollen grains into the air forming yellowish clouds को जो है sulfur shower कहते हैं. Next question is how many HIV positive infections that are occurring every day in the world? A option is 6,000, B option is 60,000, C option is 6 lakh, and D option is 10 lakh. So right answer is option A, that is 6,000. Next question is Bombyx mori that produce the fine filament of silk inside the cocoon is A option is butterfly, B is dipteran, that is silkworm, C is moth, and D is mulberry plant hemipteran. So right answer is option C, that is moth. Next question is which of the following component increase the effectiveness of the photosynthesis process? A option is ultraviolet, B option is red, C option is blue, and D option is infrared. So right answer is option B, that is red. Next question is what is the weight of human heart? A option is 100 gram, B is 300 gram, C option is 800 gram, and D option is 1000 grams. So right answer is option B, that is 300 gram is the weight of human heart. Next question is which of the following gland controls the blood pressure? A option is thalamus gland, B is adrenal gland, C option is thyroid gland, and D option is pancreas gland. So right answer is option B, that is adrenal gland. Next question is in which organ of the human body are the lymphocyte cells formed? A option is liver, B is bone marrow, C is pancreas, and D option is spleen. So right answer is option B, that is bone marrow. Next question is which of the following is one of the functions of antigens? A option is lowers body temperature, B option is destroy harmful bacteria, C option is triggers the immune system, and D option is used as an antidote to poison. So right answer is option C, that is triggers the immune system. Next question is which of the following process that not involve evaluation of carbon dioxide? A option is combustion, B is respiration, C option is fermentation, and last option is photosynthesis. So right answer is option D, that is photosynthesis. Next question is name the gland that associated with the human digestive system. A option is salivary gland and pancreas, B option is salivary glands and liver, C option is liver and pancreas, and D option is salivary glands, liver, and pancreas. So right answer is option D, that is salivary glands, liver, and pancreas all are associated with the human digestive system. Next question is arrange the correct sequence of the steps involved in the process of human digestive system. एक ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में जो है प्रोसेसेस को जो है एक करेक्ट सीक्वेंस में अरेंज करना है. तो आप इन सभी ऑप्शंस को रीड आउट कर लीजिए वीडियो को पॉज करके. मैं इसका राइट आंसर बता रही हूँ. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज इन ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंजेक्शन अकर्स, आफ्टर दैट डाइजेशन, आफ्टर दैट एब्जॉर्प्शन, देन एसिमिलेशन, एंड लास्ट में ingestion process occurs, right? Next question is in which part of the body digestion of proteins begins? A option is pancreas, B is stomach, C option is small intestine, and D option is large intestine. So right answer is option B, that is stomach. Your next question is what is the function of hydrochloric acid? A option first statement है it makes pepsin enzyme effective, and second statement है it kills bacteria which may enter in stomach with food. तो राइट आंसर आएगा इसका ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज बोथ 1 and 2, दैट इज these both statements are true related to the hydrochloric acid. So hydrochloric makes pepsin enzyme effective and it also kills the bacteria which enter with our stomach when we take the food, right? Next is name the largest part of the alimentary canal. A option is large intestine, B option is small intestine, and C option is liver, and D option is stomach. So right answer is option B, that is small intestine. Next question is complete digestion of food occurs in A option is stomach, B is small intestine, C is pancreas, and D option is large intestine. So right answer is option B, that is small intestine. Next question is what is the function of bile juice secreted by liver? 1 point clear that bile juice is secreted by liver, and we had discussed in previous parts that bile juice are stored in the gallbladder, right? Secreted by liver and stored in the gallbladder. And what is the function of bile juice? So there are options. First option is it makes the food alkaline, B option is it makes the food acidic, C option is it breaks down the food, and D option is none of the above. So right answer is option A, it makes the food alkaline. So, and this is the question for you guys. Your question is the undigested food stored in the liver in the form of carbohydrate is called. A option is pulp, B is glucose, C option is glycogen, and D option is carbohydrate. So guys, if you already know the answer of this question, then you can give your answer in the comment box. Otherwise, I will share it with you in the next session of biology. So guys, stay tuned with this channel for more videos. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.